Hey, Stinky. What are you doing there? You guys are so gross. Why does this hoodie smell so bad? I'm not cringe. Stop looking at my feet. Stop looking at my feet. I washed my hoodie. Good morning, motherfuckers. What are you guys doing? You guys are being cringe again. Stop! I'm not the one being yabai. Eh? A feed compilation? The only compilation I've seen is a... Never mind. I'm not gonna say it.
Pretty good. No comment.
Next meme!
I love that game too. Can I get pregnant too?
With who? With...
You?
oh gosh, what do I say? You're my senpai, so it's really hard for me to say no to that. Senpai, that got...
Hey, I'm your senpai. You're not allowed to say no to anything I say. I can make you pregnant.
No, wait a minute.
That's the senpai power I'm talking about.
No.
Okay, but this is just divine, exquisite.